So hello class 7 students, welcome back again. So today in this video we will be discussing about another natural indicator, that is turmeric. So in the last video we have discussed about litmus, right, which is a natural indicator, right. So today another indicator, that is turmeric, which is also a natural indicator only. So first of all, turmeric, what is the color of turmeric? You know, turmeric, the color of turmeric is yellow, right. It is yellow in color, and it is obtained from a plant, right. It is obtained from a plant, and in Hindi turmeric is also called as haldi. You know this, haldi? Okay. So turmeric contains a yellow dye, that is why its color is yellow. Okay. Now there is an activity 5.2 over here. You see, in the first step, take a tablespoonful of turmeric powder and add a little water and make a paste. Okay, basically you have to make a paste, turmeric paste, by taking some turmeric powder and mixing it with a little amount of water. Okay. Then second step, you see, make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper and drying it. So if there is filter paper with you or blotting paper is there with you, then you have to make a turmeric paper using filter paper or blotting paper. How you can do this? You have to take that turmeric paste and deposit over filter paper or say blotting paper. Okay, so that the blotting paper or filter paper can absorb the turmeric dye or say turmeric color. Okay, then you have to dry the filter paper. Then what will happen? The filter paper will become fully yellow in color. Okay, and then you have to cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. Okay. Last step, you see, put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. You have to put some drops of soap solution. Now what is the nature of soap solution? It is basic, right. Soap solution contains what? Base. So it is, the nature of soap solution is what? Basic. Then you have to drop some soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? What will be the color change? Is there will be there will be any color change or what? Yes, the color will change to yellow, means the color will change from yellow to red. Okay, that means turmeric turns red in basic solution, or we can say that bases turn the yellow turmeric paper to red. Okay, so you can note down from here that turmeric as indicator, what will it do? Turmeric paper is yellow in acidic solution, or say acid in acid solution. That means there will be no change in color of turmeric when it is added to an acidic solution. Okay, that means turmeric will remain yellow in acidic solution. Okay, and when the turmeric or say turmeric paper is added to a basic solution, then the bases turn the yellow turmeric paper to red, will turn to red. Okay, clear? In the same way you can note down this also. If you have this one for litmus, that is litmus, it when acidic solution is added with a litmus, or when say the blue litmus paper is added to an acidic solution, then it will change to red, and when red litmus paper is added to a basic solution, it will change to blue. Okay, you can note down these 2 points from both from litmus and turmeric indicator. Now you see this Bujo in the next page, what he is saying, that now I understand why a turmeric stain on my white shirt is turned to red when it is washed with soap. Okay, so when say some curry, vegetable curries, okay, it when basically the curries, how they are prepared, we means yellow, the turmeric is added, right? The turmeric is added to a curry. Okay, so we notice that a yellow stain of curry on a white shirt, which is due to the presence of turmeric in curry. Okay, so and when it is washed with a soap solution, then it will turn to red. Okay, when soap is scrubbed on it. Okay, so this is due to the fact that soap solution is basic in nature and it changes the color of turmeric in the curry stain to red. Okay, similarly, the test the solutions listed in table 5.3 and note down your observations. You may try solutions of other substances also. So there is a table given to you in page number 52 of your book. So test solutions. Some of the solutions are given, like say lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, milk of magnesia, baking soda, lime water, sugar and common salt. Okay, so what will be the effect of these solution on turmeric solution? Okay, when these solutions are added with a turmeric solution one by one, what will be the effect on turmeric solution? And you have to write the remarks also. Okay, so one by one we'll do this. You can use your pencil to note it down on the book. Okay, so first of all, let us consider for lemon juice what will happen over here. Okay, so lemon juice is basically acidic, right? Lemon juice is acidic, so acidic solution will have no effect on turmeric solution. So you will write over here that it will have no effect for acidic. For lemon juice I am writing. Okay, lemon juice no effect. Then remarks is what? It is acidic. Okay, acidic. Okay, clear? In the same way, orange juice is also acidic in nature, right? It is a citrus fruit. Okay, citric acid is there in orange. So what we'll write over here? Again, no effect. Why no effect? Because it is acidic. Okay, it is what? Acidic. Clear? In the same way, vinegar is also acidic. Why? Because it contains acetic acid and it will have no effect on turmeric solution. And what you will write in remarks, again, it is acidic, right? Next, milk of magnesia is basic solution. Okay, it contains magnesium hydroxide. It is used as an antacid. So what will be the effect on turmeric solution? It will change to red. Okay, and what will be the remarks? It is because it is basic in nature. Milk of magnesia is basic. Okay, in the same way, baking soda also changes the color of turmeric from yellow to red. Okay, and what will be the remarks? Basic. In the same way, lime water also, that is chuna pani. Okay, lime water, it also contains base. So the effect on turmeric solution will be the color of the turmeric will change from yellow to red. And what will be the remarks? You will write basic over here. Okay, clear? Next, sugar, or say sugar solution. So if you add sugar with a little amount of water or with some amount of water, then if you stir it, if you mix it, then it will become what? Sugar solution. So what will be the effect of sugar solution on turmeric solution? It will have no effect. Why? Because sugar solution is neutral. Okay, neutral substance. It is neutral substance. Okay, clear? In the same way, common salt is also neutral in nature. Common salt solution, basically, that is the salt which you consume at your home, that is your common salt, sodium chloride. Okay, again, it has no effect on turmeric solution. It does not change its color. Okay, so why? Because it is neutral in nature. Clear? So this completes your table 5.3 also, and this completes your turmeric indicator. Okay, and in the next video we'll discuss about China rose indicator. Okay, and there are some man-made indicators also. Okay, artificial indicators, you can say, methyl orange phenolphthalein. We'll discuss these things in the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's all for today. turmeric indicator finished. So that's all, and thank you and have a nice day.